Hello students, thank you for registering for Subramanya doll making workshop tomorrow, which is 3rd January 2026. So first of all, let me congratulate you on taking a right decision on a very special new year, the first Paurnami of 2026. I'm sure this class is going to be really wonderful and you will be learning a lot about doll makeover, where to buy materials, etc. So this video, some of you have been sending me messages, do we need materials, what type of materials, etc. So for the class tomorrow, you don't need any materials. I will be showing you how I am making an ordinary doll into a beautiful Subramanya doll with easily available items. And I will also tell you where you can buy, what type of materials to buy, what are the important things to remember while making doll makeover, etc. And I will also be explaining you about how you can convert this as a small business also. These are ideas that I will be sharing, whatever I have implemented in my life, which you can also practice. So the reason can be anything, your passion, your hobby, or as a small business from home. This is the best time to learn and practice doll makeover. All right. So I will be sharing the Zoom link by tonight or tomorrow morning. We will begin the class exactly at 11 o'clock. I want you to join by 10:55 so that we can start the class on time. And we will begin with a small introduction to doll making, doll makeover, etc. Then 25 to 30 minutes for 30 minutes for the demo, and then last 10 minutes for question and answer session. So approximately by 12:30 we will complete the class, and I will also be explaining about other paid classes. If you are interested, you can register because there will be lots of offers that I will be giving tomorrow. Right? So if some of you need a do-it-yourself kit for making Subramanya doll, I am launching that video in some time. So if you want, you can buy. Otherwise, it is not mandatory. You can practice with any doll. Fine. What else? So that's about tomorrow's class. Keep a pen and a paper. If you have any question, make a note of the question and I will answer all your questions. And it will be simple English. Everybody will be able to understand. All right. Okay, hope this video is helpful. If you are someone who is watching this video for the first time, please let me know if you want to join tomorrow's class for just 99 rupees. I will add you in the WhatsApp group. I will share with you the joining link. You can register and join. Fine. And the recording will also be given to all the participants within 24 hours of the class. Okay, so sometimes it takes it takes time to receive the recording. So once the recording is received, I will share with you, which will be a lifelong access for you all. Okay, I am Nisha here. As I would sign off, tomorrow I will meet you at 11 o'clock. Till then, bye bye.